This is a Nerf. No, this is the Nerf Rival Knockout. It's got 90 FPS and it is basically the rival version of a Jolt. Yum 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 yum. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. It's a nice pistol design, a bit like a just pistol, I suppose. It's got a safety, which seems a little big for this tiny little gun. What was that safety? Anyways, it has a round capacity of 1 bullet. It's a single shooter. Like its Jolt counterpart. Opens up like that, bullet goes in. But it can also hold 4 bullets on the sides in these little sockets, which are actually quite convenient. Cut this, you hairy one pup. Yeah. Now we're going to check it for accuracy. Yeah. This thing is nuts. Hello. Ow. Get this hit. Amazing bit of gear for if you're stepping up from regular Nerf. It leads to your rival series. And if you also like it. It is a great gun. It's extremely accurate. I give it a 3 out of 5 stars. Just because the loading mechanism is so much fun, but it's really slow to reload. Just to shoot off 1 bullet. And that. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.